Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm really excited to try out a kind of new type of makeup product to this series and to me. So this is a glitter mascara and brow topper. So it's from HAUS Laboratories, which is Lady Gaga's makeup line, and it's the Risqué Brow and Lash Sparkle Topper. And I actually got this in my March 2021 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which if you have not seen my unbagging of that, I'll have that video linked in the description down below so that you can see all of the products I got. I realized I actually got 3 HAUS Laboratories products in Ipsy this month, which that's a lot. 3 out of my 10 products were from this brand. But so this retails for $18. I have it in the shade Drama, which looks like a black shade. So I feel like it's not really gonna work as a brow topper for me, but I mean, we're gonna find out. You might also notice that I only put mascara on one of my eyes because I wanted to try this out with and without a regular black mascara on my lashes. And it's also cruelty-free and vegan. So cute packaging, very like in line with all of the HAUS Laboratories packaging. And so, I mean, full size, but it's basically like a mini mascara size. Oh wow, and the wand is also mini. It's like spiral with very small brush bristles. Here you can see what the applicator looks like. So I don't necessarily think this is really going to do much to enhance the actual lashes. It probably is just going to be like a sparkly topper, but I kind of want to just first try it out here on my bare lashes. I am seeing that kind of, it's basically almost like a gray tint. And yeah, it definitely doesn't have like a mascara like lash enhancing quality because it's kind of making the lashes stick together. And I really am not seeing glitter. I feel like I see like a fleck or two of glitter if I look very closely, but mostly it just kind of slightly darkened my lashes and made my lashes stick together and basically looks like a bad mascara. Definitely not what I was hoping for. I was hoping to see a lot more glitter. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the lashes with the mascara and see what it does here. Also, sorry, you can probably hear Dexter barking. Yeah, putting it on as a lash topper, it's making my lashes stick together, which if you've seen my mascara reviews, you know that I do not like when my lashes stick together. I like them to be fanned out, separated, and look really full. And literally all this did, it didn't add any glitter, it just made my lashes clump and stick together. So that's actually like really bad. A really bad product in my opinion for the lashes. This might be a bad choice, but I'm gonna try it on my brows just to, you know, give it a thorough okay, no. It's too dark for my brows. Like, I only put a light layer on, and my hair is actually wet right now, so it kind of looks okay, but it's making my brows kind of black. I can see slightly more glitter in the brow compared to the lashes, which is kind of fun. Like, it's almost like a subtle amount of glitter, which for someone with darker hair, I would say this could be a decent brow gel to add a little glitter, but it's such sparse glitter that it's almost kind of like pointless. I don't know, let's just make the brows match. I was really hoping that this would be more glittery and a better formula to just add some fun sparkle to the lashes and be kind of different, but you really can't see any glitter on the lashes, and it made my actual lashes look so bad. So this is definitely a product fail for me. I haven't had a product that I disliked this much in a while. And it's such a bummer too when it's a product that sounded so great that I was really excited about. So I definitely want to know in the comments down below your thoughts on this lash topper. If you have any other ways that you found to use this, let me know in the comments down below. I really don't even know what I'm gonna do with this. So let me try and do a zoomed in view so that you can see what my lashes look like. I mean, it's almost like hard to see my lashes since they look so like sparse and stuck together. And so that you can see how it looks on the brows. Like not terrible on the brows for a brow gel. Let's see what it does have like a gel-like dried down texture. So it's gonna hold the brows in place pretty well. So for someone with darker brows, I could definitely see this being used as a brow gel, but I really don't think this works well for the lashes. They should have made it a better formula that doesn't make the lashes stick together like this, but oh well. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.